हम लोग हमेशा कैरी करते हैं हमारे ट्रैक्स में, एंड क्लाइंबिंग अगर ट्रैक्स में कैरी करते हैं तो क्लाइंबिंग में ऑफकोर्स इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट, ठीक है। तो दिस इज इंडियन रोप, ये इंडियन रोप है, एंड it's not made for actually climbing के लिए बनाया नहीं गया, but it's very reliable. It has been tested into Sahyadri since years and it works well, it works good. So this is the Indian rope जिसमें थोड़ा it's static rope है, इसमें dynamic नहीं है. There are two types of rope used in climbing, static rope and dynamic rope. So as word says कि static rope है जिसमें कुछ ये नहीं रहेगा, उसमें elasticity नहीं रहेगा, whereas dynamic rope will have some kind of elasticity. So this is an Indian rope and this is a sling out of a small piece from a rope would be called as sling, जो सब लोग everybody will carry with them, ठीक है। So this is a sling, ये थोड़ा सा डायनामिक है, इसमें थोड़ा सा इलास्टिसिटी है। So dynamic ropes are usually used for climbing because जब fall होता है तो that fall should get arrested, right? So dynamic ropes are used for climbing and static ropes are always used for rappelling down. Climbing is one thing and rappelling is another thing. तो नीचे आते समय you don't use dynamic ropes, you use static ropes. हम लोग यहाँ पे एक ही rope use करेंगे, that is this. We do rappel from this rope, we climb from this rope itself. Okay, this was the first thing. Second are shoes. Okay, shoes चाहिए तो climb करने के लिए shoes चाहिए. So this is the Indian version of PA. PA are climbing shoes, especially the PA stands for Perry Allen. That was the person who has invented these shoes for climbing. So these are Indian version of PA. Normal canvas shoes. For the next session, everybody should have a canvas shoe. जो पहला सोल है वो सेशन में खराब हो जाएगा. Then we'll get a new sole. Then here itself, National Park के बाहर ही लगा के मिलता है. It would cost you about 50 to 100 rupees anywhere between that, right? So see, you can see it's plain. यहाँ पे grip नहीं है, right? So this is how we will start climbing with. All amateurs will start climbing with this kind of shoes first. Okay? Then when you go on increasing your grades, then you can go for original shoes, original PAs, which are available here also. So you can see the soles, complete flat soles. Okay? This is the one which will give you grip on the rocks. Apparently it looks, मतलब ऐसा लगता है ये क्या grip देगा, but this is the what it will give you grip on rock. That are original PAs. Okay, PAs should be tight. जो भी shoes हम लोग पहनते हैं वो tight रहते हैं, ठीक है। Canvas shoes भी आप लोगे तो your toe should touch the edge of the shoe, right? Because that will give you grip, because it will give you feel on the rock. These are PAs and this would cost you anywhere between 3,000 to 10,000. Okay, so only you will buy after a year. तुम लोग का सब sections complete होगा and when you feel that you want to climb full time, you will buy all this. Then comes harness. Again, there are everything in this world has a substitute which is known as Indian made substitute. So we have a substitute for. I'll show you an imported harness first. Okay, this is a bell harness which are under tested with the standards, all climbing standards and all international standards. So this is an imported harness. This would cost you anywhere between again 3,500 and above. So we have an Indian version, again tested, tried since many years in Sahyadris. That's an Indian version of an harness. Okay, this would again cost you anywhere between 700 to 1,000 rupees. Again a must. सब लोग को ये लेना ही है. Once you get over of these sessions. Again a different style of harness. This is we call it as a free harness. ये किसी को भी fit हो सकता है. A 5-year kid can also wear it and a 50-year-old lady can also wear it, right? तो ऐसा है. So this is a free size harness.
नजमा को specify कर रहा है.
हाँ, नजमा को भी होगा. Okay, these are the basic gears. Now we'll go on hardwares. ये तो हो गया, जो ropes हो गया. बाकी सब जो hardwares जो which are normally used on the rocks. I'll show you step by step what all it is.
Video.
This is known as carabiner. Screw carabiner. It has a lock. Okay. You can see the braking strength. The braking strength of this.
करतो ना मी कशा टेंशन घेतो.
27k. That is about kilonewtons. अगर कोई फिजिक्स का इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट है उसको कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, वो कितना फोर्स ले सकता है. तो इसका ब्रेकिंग स्ट्रेंथ इज मेजर्ड इन
होती फिजिक्स में.
एक ऐसे रहता है, ठीक है. दिस इज द ये एक इस तरफ से ब्रेकिंग स्ट्रेंथ मेजर होता है, अलग रहता है. दूसरा इस तरफ से होता है और थर्ड इज गेट का भी अलग ब्रेकिंग स्ट्रेंथ रहता है. तो वीकेस्ट पॉइंट इज गेट. ये जो गेट है द वन विच वी कैन ओपन इज द वीकेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ इट. बट वीकेस्ट इन द सेंस इन कंपैरिजन विद 27k इट इज वीकेस्ट. इसका 8k रहता है बट दिस इजीली इट कैन टेक योर वेट. ओके, सो डोंट वरी कि वीक है तो ये टूट जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दैट इज carabiner. दिस इज नोन एज 8 or we call it as descender. This is there are multiple use of it. You can rappel down through it. You can give belay through it. Okay, belay and whatever terms I am using, it will be again, brushing up all those terms while climbing and doing climbing. So this is known as figure of 8, or you can call it descender. Okay, this is known as ATC. That's an belay device. Air traffic control ऐसा है, इसको ATC बोलते हैं. That's an belay device. It has two different gauges of. You can use two different gauge of ropes. जैसे the bigger one is for 10 mm rope. The rope this is 8 mm rope. 8 mm rope. और जो छोटा वाला है इसमें से आप 8 mm यूज कर सकते हैं इसमें से. This is a belay device which will be anchored to you and you will be belaying. Belaying is a term which we will explain during the climbing.